The title of the story for this week is A Tale of Hauwahine and Meheanu, written and illustrated by the students and teachers of Kekula o Samuel M. Kamakau. Hauwahine was a mottled gray lizard that lived in Kailua Oahu. She was the mo'o guardian of the Kawainui Pond. Her companion was the long white puhi named Meheanu. Meheanu was the guardian of He'eia Fish Pond. Meheanu often visited Hauwahine at Kawainui. One sunny day, they shared some fish, manini, moi, and u'u. The two guardians ate until they were full. Then the kiaʻi rested on the large rocks at Nā Pohaku o Hauwahine to bask in the warmth of the lā. Makai of them, they saw a fisherman preparing to throw his upena. His name was kanakapī. Kanakapī threw his upena. Not long after, his net was heavy with manini. 400 upon 400. The two kiaʻi saw that Kanakapī caught a lot more i'a than he needed. Hauwahine then said to Meheanu, "Let's go test the generosity of this lāua." They dove into the water and changed into two beautiful women. When they emerged from the vai, they shouted, "Hui!" and beckoned to Kanakapī. Kanakapī glanced over at the women. "Wow," he said to himself, "those two wahine over there are very beautiful. Ho'okanani." Of the hundreds of manini he caught, Kanakapī carefully chose the 8 smallest. The rest he hid. Kanakapī carried the 8 i'a by their tails to Nā Pohaku o Hauwahine, where the two wahine waited. Hauwahine and Meheanu said, "Those manini sure look ono. We're really pololi. Will you please share your manini with us?" "I have only 8 manini," replied Kanakapī. 4 manini for my ohana and 'eha to share. Here's 2 manini for you, beautiful wahine, and 'elua manini for you, pretty wahine." Hauwahine and Meheanu were enraged by his stinginess. "Ho'okapī!" Hauwahine immediately changed into a huge, mottled gray mo'o. Meheanu changed into a long, white puhi. Hauwahine hissed, and Meheanu's body writhed wildly. "Ha ha ha!" Kanakapī exclaimed in shock and bewilderment. Overcome by fear, he started to panic. He cried, "Forgive me! for my stingy ways, e hui kala mai. Hauwahine and Meheanu came closer to the lawaiʻa. Haue, he cried. I have been pī, and I want to ho'oponopono my bad behavior. I will share all the i'a with my friends, my hoa aloha. Hauwahine and Meheanu bowed their po'o. They saw that kanakapī was sorry for his stinginess. They accepted Kanakapī's promise to no longer be a kanakapī. From that day on, he became a kanaka lokomaikaʻi. The end.